Let's have a closer view of the Trezor Safe 3, the Gold Edition. Right out of the box. It comes with a USB-C cable, and the device is a 2-button interface. The main reason why I got this is to upgrade from my Trezor Model 1. The Trezor Safe 3 holds more supported coins and tokens. What's nice is I was able to use my current PIN and my 24-word seed card so I could pull up my current account using the Trezor Suite software. Now let's have a closer look. Notice that it's packaged very well and the product is wrapped securely along with a hologram Trezor protective seal. Includes secure element certified chip EAL 6+. It includes simple startup instructions, 3 collective stickers, and 2 recovery seed cards. What's cool is that Trezors are X-ray safe and suitable for air travel. Here it includes the USB-C cable. Now let's unwrap the Trezor Safe 3 device. The Trezor Suite software is free. You can send, receive, trade, and track your coins, and also track your portfolio balance, and confirm every transaction directly on your wallet. It also has a Trezor hologram seal at the port. I like that it's a simple, sleek design and providing different color options like this Gold Edition, which is made of durable PMMA plastic with hidden tilt effect, tamper-evident casing, and anodized aluminum backplate. Let's have a quick look at connected to a laptop using the provided USB-C cable and using the optional USB-A adapter. Since my laptop doesn't have a USB-C connection, so I had to use this as an option. Please note, the USB-A adapter is not included. Now I'm ready to connect to Trezor Suite software using a monochromatic OLED screen. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.